let you know the conversations that we do have are always recorded for our references to ensure that we provide better quality service to you. So basically, I did speak to Quality Loan Service. I spoke to a lady by the name of Gar in the foreclosure department. I did provide her the filing number, and I did fax the information over to them to ensure this sale date was postponed. According to her, she took care of it. We didn't need to address the issue at all with IndyMac, as she already informed them of that information. And
Okay.
again, everything has been confirmed. Everything has been received. There is no sale date scheduled as of yet for the property. The new scheduled sale date will probably be implemented as of tomorrow because they
Okay.
just received this information. So
Okay.
at this point in time, there is no sale date on your property because of the VK Chapter 13 filing that was performed. All the information has been addressed with them. I am calling you just to reinstate that and to ensure that you are aware of the items that were taken care of. Um, in the call, usually what we ask is if there's anything you wanted to say is in regards to the services we provide, anything that you're satisfied with, that you're not satisfied with of our job performance. We always want to know as we want to improve our quality service that we provide.
Of course. Well, I'm absolutely astounded that you're able to do so much and so quickly. So it sounds like everything's been halted and taken care of, and you guys are just right on top of everything. You're a wonderful bunch, and I thank you, and I thank Candace. I did fax a little note, kind of to that effect, last night, or emailed you, I guess.
Okay.
So anyway, so you'll find that from last night. But
Yeah, I did. I did
yes, that's
receive that.
fabulous.
I did receive
Okay,
that email. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for your appreciation on our
okay.
services. And
That's
again, as the plan goes from the conversation that I had with you,
yes.
the items that you need to get together in order to expedite this process while we're holding on with this bankruptcy filing, it might give us an ample amount of time to go ahead and submit information, and hopefully have the lender assist us with some sort of modification review.
Right. Well, I will. What I part of what I have to do is finish the bankruptcy filing too, because
Okay.
there's a lot of forms that weren't done, and they gave me a list of those.
Okay.
And I'll jump. And some of those are probably what you need anyway.
Correct.
So I will be jumping on that right away. I'm not at home at the moment, so I have to. And I just have pulled off to the side of the road here. I was driving,
Oh, not a
but
problem.
that's great. Can I call you back a little later this afternoon?
That wouldn't be a problem. So I do apologize if I don't get to the phone right away. As you can
Oh, of
imagine,
course
my
not.
job is to be on the phone. So I will definitely try to return your call if you do call me and I miss the call.
Absolutely. Oh, Alex, you're just wonderful. Thank you so very much.
Thank you much
You're a
for your time, sir. I appreciate
real
that, and
lifesaver.
we'll
Okay.
see if we can make sure that we assist you further on this. Okay?